Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am officially 6 months locked. Yay! Yay! Let's clap, let's clap, let's clap, let's clap, let's clap, let's clap, let's clap. Now, I did not do an update last month because I felt like my hair still looked the same. And even today, it still looks the same. But I took some pictures before I started this video, and I looked back at other pictures that I've already taken, and I'm seeing a little difference, just a little. But when I look at my hair every day, it's just like it's not changing. Like, you still see my twist, you know. I'm giving you guys a 360. Yeah, anyway, it's like you still see my twist, but I've looked at my pictures and I noticed a difference, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Y'all, excuse these pimples on my face. In the summertime, I break out like crazy with pimples. So anyway, so in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna say it again. I will be dyeing my locks. I'm not gonna make this a long intro because I want to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna have some music playing in the background, so you're not gonna like, I'm not gonna talk you guys through the whole process, like, because it's just crazy. But I noticed that I have not been seeing a lot of videos of people dyeing their locks burgundy using Cream of Nature's Burgundy Blaze. I seen one video, and it was only one video of the girl dyeing. It's a lot of videos of people, well, not a lot, but it's a few people dyeing their locks, dyeing their hair, their loose natural hair, with that dye, but not a lot of locks. I've only seen one video of a girl. She was locked, and she's the only video I saw of her dyeing her locks using the Cream of Nature's Burgundy Blaze. So I'm gonna be doing that today. So my video will be the second video up with that. So I'm going to be I'm trying to see if I look in the screen or should I look in the lens. Like, it's crazy. Anyway, so I kind of be doing both. I'll be looking here, then I'll be looking at y'all here. So I'm like looking at the screen, looking at myself, and then I'm looking in the lens so y'all can see me eye to eye, you know, so y'all can see. Anyway, okay, so I do have my fan going because it's hot in the bathroom. So yeah, so if you hear that, that's what's going on. I have my fan, and I have my 360 mirror here behind me that I'll be doing my hair, as you guys can see my ring light and stuff. But yeah, I have my 360 mirror so I can do my hair, because I don't want to leave any spots out when I dye my hair. I don't want to miss no spots. I want it all coated, okay? So really quick, I'm going to show y'all what I have. Of course, I have ponytail holders because I'm going to section my hair off. And I will say this, when I dyed my hair twice, and I was loose natural both times. As you guys can see, the last time I dyed my hair, I was it was bronze copper, and I hated dyeing my hair when I was loose natural because I had to section it, and then it was like, but this time I'm hoping that it'll be easier because I'm locked. So I'm hoping that this will be easier for me to do. So what I'm going to be using is the ponytail holders I showed you. I have some processing caps. There's 10 in here, and they're larger ones. So I got a pack of those, and I also got some gloves. There's 6 gloves in here. So yeah, I'm using some gloves because you don't want to dye your hair with just your hands. And of course, I need a fill-in, so today's perfect day to do my hair because I'm going to be doing my nails right after. And then the dye that I'm going to be using is Cream of Nature's Burgundy Blaze 6.2 Exotic Shine Color. And I have 4 boxes of this. Now, when I was loose natural, I would always buy 3 boxes. I have, like, literally 4 boxes. Now, like I was... Your girl got 4 boxes, okay? I think it was only 5 on the shelf. I got 4, so I think I left 1. I feel so bad, but yeah, anyway. So I have 4 boxes of the Burgundy Blaze. And when I was loose natural, I would always just buy 3 boxes of Cream of Nature hair dye. And I will only end up needing 2. So, because I'm locked, I want to make sure that I really, really, really saturate my hair and get it in there. So, I made sure I got 4. So, and I'm probably not even going to need all 4, which is fine. I'll just use whatever's left. Whatever boxes that I have unopened, I'll just use that when I get ready to touch my roots months from now. So, yeah, we'll be using Burgundy Blaze So normally, when I dye my hair, when I was loose natural, I would always do the ends first and then the roots. But because my ends are already light, I'm gonna do my roots first and then work my way down to the shaft. So anyway, I'm gonna take off my wedding rings because I don't want to get them messed up. And so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm gonna have the video sped up and I'm gonna have music playing in the background. So y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy. If I twist my hair on camera, I don't know. I'm still debating on that part, but still go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I upload a new video and you can follow my journey. All right. all of my roots, and I made sure them things were saturated. Let me but I made sure my roots were really saturated. So I'm going to now put a cap on. I'm gonna let it process for maybe I want to say probably 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna look at it. And then I was actually thought these caps were gonna be small, but they're actually perfect size. I'm gonna do one more. And one more. And I want to make sure that this heat really gets my roots. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna check it with you guys, and we're gonna see what we got going on. I got hair dye everywhere now, but we're gonna see what we got going on after 15-20 minutes. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna check it really quick, and I'm gonna see how it's looking, and I may go 15 more minutes and see how that looks. So let's see how it's looking. And I also forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, if my hair doesn't turn out good, this video might not be going up. So, all right. Oh, that looks red. Oh, that looks fucking red. Guys, that looks red. But I keep forgetting that Burgundy looks red. So we're gonna let that go for, I'm gonna do 15 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer for 15 more minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll start on the ends. All right, see y'all in a bit. Peace. All right, I'm back. It's the 15 minutes, the second half of 15 minutes are done. So now I'm gonna check it. Let's see. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna mix another bottle, because I have this one, but it doesn't have very much in it. You probably can see how much is left in here, so I'm gonna do another. But anyway, let's get the mix in. Okay, so I have fully saturated my hair. You guys probably can tell in the video that I was like literally going through everywhere trying to make sure I get everything saturated, because I've seen videos of ladies dyeing their locks, and when they rinse it out they still have like blotches. So I was going through making sure I don't forget nothing, making sure I didn't leave anything out. So now I'm going to put my cap on and I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and see how it looks. And I may do, depending on how it looks, I may leave it on a little longer. You can really leave this on for as long as you want, but I'm going to do 20 minutes first, and then I'm going to come back, see how it looks, let y'all see how it looks, and then I'll decide if I want to leave it on for a little bit longer. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I'm going to check my hair now, and we're going to see how it's looking. Oh, all right. Ooh, this is some messy stuff. Like, this stuff is really messy. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. All right. All right. We getting somewhere. All right. All right. So instead of letting it sit in my hair for an extra 20 minutes, I did an extra 25 minutes. So all in all, this stuff has been in my hair for an hour and some change. So I'm going to take off the plastic cap, and we're going to see what we looking like, girl. I'm turn off this fan. All right. I'm going to hop in the shower and wash this off. My husband's probably going to hate me for rinsing this off in the shower, because it is definitely going to turn the tub red. But that is okay, because we have bleach. I had some all on the counter, and I bleached the counter. So bleach will definitely clean it. So if you guys decide to do this to your hair or your locks, bleach in your tub. I'm telling you. All right. Oh, look at that steam, honey. Look at that steam. That's from my scalp, girl. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Oh, my hair is hot to the touch. All right. So I'm hoping that this doesn't dry, that this doesn't rinse like this. See how it's all right here like this? So I'm really hoping that. All right. So I am going to get in the shower. I'm going to rinse this out my hair now. And okay, anyway, so I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all how it's looking rinsed out. And then I'm going to retwist my hair. I decided I'm going to retwist my hair off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all my hair. I may style it. I don't know yet. But anyway, I'm going to come back and show y'all how it's looking after I... Well, first I'm going to show you how it's looking after I rinse it out. Then I'm going to show you how it's looking after I do my retwist. All right? I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got on my little moo-moo. Yeah, comfortable. Yeah. So I just got out of the shower. I have not looked at my hair yet. I literally had my eyes closed when I got out of the shower, so I wouldn't look in the mirror. I put my my little t-shirt thing on here, and I'm ready to see it. I washed my hair using Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Castile soap, and I washed my hair out in cold water, because they say it's best to wash off your dye in cold water. So I rinsed out my hair in cold water, and I washed it twice with my Dr. Bronner's. So, hold on, guys. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. We're going to look. I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. If it doesn't come out the way I want it to come out, I'm going to dye it again. I'll probably wait a week, though, and then do it again. But all right, no more talking. We gonna look. Okay, we finna look. I gotta look in the mirror. Oh man, why am I so nervous to take this off? Anyway, all right. I have dyed my hair before and I've never been this nervous, but I'm so nervous. You can see a little. Okay. Okay. Y'all ready? Oh my God. Y'all, I literally have not looked at my hair, so I have no idea what I'm finna. Oh my God. All right, let's just do it. Okay. It's a vibe. See, it looks brighter in the camera. Yeah, it looks brighter in the camera. When I look in the mirror, it don't look all that bright. But I mean, I am liking it. My roots. I'm actually kind of shocked that my roots are brighter than the rest of my hair because this part was already light, so I just knew that the other parts of my hair was gonna be, you know. All right, so I'm gonna go and do my retwist. That's how I get a good look. I mean, it's a vibe, you know. And I'm surprised at how even it is. Like, it's so even. Look at this thing here. I'm letting my locks do what they're gonna do. I got quite a few knots laying around. These two. I got quite a few knots, but I'm letting my locks do what they want to do. Okay, so I'm going to go and retwist my hair. I'm going to be putting some oil in my hair so we can get some moisture back in here because it's feeling a little dry. It's feeling a little brittle. So I'm going to go retwist my hair and I'm going to come back to y'all. Okay, guys, so I have twisted my hair. Let you guys get a look. I have retwisted my hair. So now I'm going to sit under. Let's see if y'all, make sure y'all can see. Yeah. So I am going to sit under my hooded dryer. And that's going to be it for this video. Again, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This pimple on my face. Anyway, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Peace.